Hello children. Today I am here with G Science Chapter 2 Human Body. So today we will start part 4. And we will start from muscular system. So all of you, let's see. Can you wiggle your finger? How back your toes? Can you run fast or jump high? So have you ever wondered how you do that? So your muscle will help your body to move and function. Your muscle help to maintain posture and responsible for all physical movement. So muscular system is made up of muscles. So there are about 656 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there in our body? 656. And each muscles are special work to do. So muscles are amazing. Muscles are attached to the bone and help in the movement of the bone, which in turn allow the body to move. We are able to walk, jump, ride, sleep, run or bend because of muscles. So with the help of muscles, we can able to move, walk or jump because muscles are flexible. So do you know what kind of muscles are there in our body? So our muscles are flexible like thick rubber or elastic. You can stretch or change the shape. Let's see how. Now children, see here. So when you bend your arms at the elbow, a muscle called your bicep contract or squeeze it together. When it contracts, its shape gets shorter and thicker. So when you stretch your arms, your biceps relaxes. So when the muscle relaxes, shapes get longer and thinner. All of you see here also. See your bicep. So when it bends, how it contracts or squeeze together. So see bicep. Thicker and thinner. And when it relax, it's become longer and thinner. So muscle can expand and contract. Just now I shown the example. So proper exercising can make our muscles strong. So your muscles depend on more than just exercising or playing to grow. Without proper nutrition and rest, it will be hard for your body to repair the damaged muscle fiber. So play, eat, sleep, repeat. That's the mantra for a healthy body. So now I think you have understood about muscular system. So now next we will start. Our next point is nervous system. Now see children, how do our lungs remember to breathe when we are asleep? How does your nose tell you that your favorite cookies are baking in the kitchen? So do you know how? So our nervous system is in charge of these things and lot more. So now we know how nervous system made up of. So nervous system is made up of brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. So all these form nervous systems. So nervous system is made up of brain. Brain is jelly-like substances. So your brain basically the boss of your body as it control everything you do. Things like learning, thinking, feeling, dancing, even breathing, your heart rate, it's due to your brain. So how does the brain manage all this? So it manages the body, and yet weight a tiny whiny 1.5 kilo or just 3 pound. So the spinal cord, the nerves of your body, the brain communicate with the rest of your body to the spinal cord, the nerves. It tells the brain what is going in the body at all time. So this system also give instructions to all parts of the body about what to do and when to do. So it is called nervous system because it is made up of billions of cells that can be found in brain, which is the control center of the nervous system. So a small part with big responsibility. So do you know that your brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of electricity? That generates electricity that is enough to power a low voltage LED light. Also, scientists have recently discovered that for a period of time after you have exercised, your body produces a chemical. So chemical that makes your brain more willing to learn. So if you are stuck on some difficulties, homework, so go out and run, play or exercise around for a while. Then tackle the problem again. You might discover that you are much more able to solve it. The brain reads the message, decided what should be done, and then gives us signal to different parts of the body. So brain do a lot of work. This system help us do different things such as hear, touch, walk, talk. So now we have completed this nervous systems. So now come to this exercise. Test yourself. So now see number 1. This is not a part of the digestive system. So which is the correct answer? Windpipe, footpipe, small intestine, stomach, windpipe. So number 2, a group of organs join together to form an organ system. This help in the movement of the bones, muscles. So name the body parts that rhymes in the given words. Rose, nose, phone, bone, south, mouth, ear, hair. So now this is your homework. You do this part in your book. And then what you do? You read this chapter. Second chapter, human body till nervous systems. Okay. In next part, in part 5, I will taught sense organs and then here also circulatory, excretory and reproductive. Till that, thank you.